Okay, so here we are with Ridge Racer. This is one of the latest racing games to be released on Android, so it proves a really good kind of test throwing the latest games at it. We're also going to take a look at Dead Trigger 2. We'll just give a little bit of footage of this, really, just to kind of get a feel for how it's going to work. Let's also pop our audio up a little bit so we can get a sense for the boom sound as well. Let's see how this plays. Now, on the Nexus 5, when I've played this game, I found it to be pretty good, but can have some frame rate issues going into corners and on some of the tracks. So let's just see what we get here. Perhaps we should have actually gone for a slide there rather than trying to turn the corner normally. But certainly there's not a lot to grumble about here, I wouldn't say. Yeah, that does feel a little bit more fluid and responsive. What you found is that sometimes when you come in and actually try and put a drift on, you get a little bit of kind of frame rate lag, but that is actually substantially better, I would say. A little bit glitching there as the fill rate spins round, or should I say as the car rights itself. Again, that is feeling pretty good actually. I wouldn't say it's perfect though. You can see when those smoke trails come out the back of the car from the tyre burn, that actually it does lag a little bit with those. But I would say that is certainly an improvement over the Nexus 5, but not by much. It's marginal, I would say. Obviously I'm going to have to play a lot more games to get a really good feel for it, but yeah, I would say that is definitely an improvement over the Nexus 5, but it's only marginal. Only marginal. Right, let's have a look at Dead Trigger 2, shall we? Something with a bit more of a first-person shooter action going on, and obviously very high detailed textures. It tends to make quite a good test for any device. Let's switch over and have a look at that.